Guys, in this video, we will show you how to generate a presentation using AI with like the best format with two words for each slides and with performance design and so on. All what you need to do is just open browser, then just type GenSpark, then go for the first link. Here you go, guys. First thing that you need to do is just sign in with Google or just use it for shortcut at any time. And then here you want to full description about your presentation using AI. So first that you need to do, which is generate for me presentation about GenSpark using a sample format for each slide, and for the main color use a blue and pink one gel. So after a while, just wait a bit for generating your slides and your presentation. I will be back after a while. Like, I don't do it all the time, just I was busy a bit. So we'll have this output after the presentation. So we will get the stunning presentation that we already just mentioned, this only the input. So we have this. All what you need to do is just presentation view, as you can see it as view, or let's say full version screen. Place slides, and then here you go, guys. A presentation could add sample blue and pink one explaining about GenSpark. So that's it. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe.